News Hound, Mauricio Campos. Hi, everyone. My name is Mauricio Andrés Campos Joven. I am the News Hound. Today, I am going to share with you three important news stories from around the world. Let's get started. News 1. Tensions between the United States and China. Recently, tensions between the United States and China have grown because of their trade dispute. The USA has asked China to lower the trade tariff. They say the current situation is not sustainable, and both countries need to work together to reduce economic tensions. This problem is not only between them, it affects global trade and price all over the world. There are also some confusion. While President Trump says there are negotiations happening, China denies it. At the same time, the USA has imposes tariff up to 145% on Chinese products, and China responds with 125 on American goods. Markets are feeling the pressures, and there's even fears of the possible global recession. News 2. Earthquake in Istanbul, Turkey. A strong earthquake hit the coast of Istanbul, Turkey on April 23, 2025. It had a magnitude of 6.2, and the epicenter was in the Sea of Marmara, about 21 kilometers south of the city. People and authorities are very worried. Fortunately, there were no major damages or deaths reported, but the situation is still tense, and people are being very careful. More than 115 people were injured while trying to escape, and there were over 100 aftershocks, some stronger than a 4.0. Even a live TV broadcast captured the moment of the earthquake. Public events were cancelled, and some hospitals had to be evacuated in areas like Celebrity. News 3. The death of Pope Francis. Pope Francis, born Jorge Mario Bergoglio, passed away on April 21st, 2025, at the age of 88 years old. He was known for his progressive ideas and his focus on love, peace, and helping the poor. Sadly, he died from a stroke that caused heart failure. Many people around the world are feeling very sad and remembering his legacy. His funeral will take place at St. Peter's Basilica. A thousand of people are saying goodbye to him during 3 days of mourning. Also, after the funeral, the Vatican will start the conclave to choose the next puppet. Thank you so much for listening to this story. I hope you found these informations interesting. See you next time.